Hi and hello everyone. In this series video, we'll be discussing Python object and class. Python is a multi-paradigm programming language that supports multiple programming approach. One of the popular approach to solve problem solving in Python is by creating objects, known as object-oriented programming. Object has characteristics, that is, it has attributes and behavior. Now, attributes are generally static characteristics and behavior are methods that performs actions. The concept of OOP in Python, that is object-oriented programming in Python, is focused on creating reusable code that is don't repeat yourself. Everything in Python is an object, including integers, floats, functions, classes, etc. The object-oriented programming in Python follows some basic principles, that is inheritance, encapsulation, polymorphism, that we will be discussing in detail in the upcoming. Python is an object-oriented programming language, unlike procedural-oriented programming language that stresses on functions. So in Python, we generally create objects, and actually, in Python we generally create classes, and from those classes we create multiple objects. In the next video, we'll be discussing about class and object with some details and examples in the form of program and syntax. I hope that you will like this series of video and it will create a better understanding of object-oriented programming in Python. Along with the side, we'll be discussing use cases and examples in the form of diagrams in this series. So thank you.